In a bustling city, there lived a humble egret named Eleanor. She stood out among her fellow creatures, not due to her size, but because of her ethereal beauty and gentle demeanor. One day, Eleanor noticed a small fish struggling in a net, trapped and about to be taken away. Her heart ached for the little creature, and she felt a strong urge to help. She flapped her wings frantically, trying to free the fish. But the net was too strong, and Eleanor grew tired. The other birds watched, some cheered her on, while others scoffed, saying she was wasting her time and energy. Despite their laughter, Eleanor refused to give up. She knew that every life was precious, and she couldn't bear to see any creature suffer. Using her long, slender neck, she carefully untangled the net, setting the fish free. The fish swam away, grateful for Eleanor's help. As she watched it go, she felt a sense of fulfillment. She had made a difference, however small, in the world around her. From that day forward, Eleanor became a beacon of hope and kindness in her city. She continued to help those in need, whether it was a struggling fish or a lost bird. The other birds began to see the beauty in Eleanor's actions. They realized that even the smallest act of kindness could have a profound impact. They started to mimic Eleanor, helping others in their own way. In time, the city transformed. It became a place where kindness was the norm, and every creature lived in harmony. The egret, Eleanor, had shown them that even the smallest creature could make a difference. The moral of the story is that no act of kindness is too small. Every action, no matter how insignificant it may seem, can have a ripple effect, changing the world for the better. So, be like Eleanor, the graceful egret, and make a difference today.